Behind these walls, America's shield against ballistic missiles comes to life, piece by piece.
Hold it there, watch the alignment. We're clear to move to the composite intake.
This radar can track a baseball-sized object 100 miles away. Every element must be perfect.
All right, bring it down 5 centimeters.
Alignment holding steady on the starboard side. Confirmed seal.
A single Patriot missile has over 8,000 parts, each one calibrated to millionths of a second.
Initiating guidance core seating. Verify ribbon alignment.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with fiber lock.
Maintain torque at 5 Newton meters. Recalibrate the fuse alignment.
Mark 1, alignment is good.
Copy that. Proceeding with connection.
Hydraulic clamps engaged. System green.
Manufacturing is only half the battle. Now comes 18 months of the most extreme testing imaginable.
If you're enjoying these manufacturing secrets, hit subscribe. The testing gets even more intense.
Lowering the rails now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Hydraulics engaging.
Clear on the port side, keep it steady. Contact in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it down easy. Weight transfer complete. Engaging locks now.
Cable connections finalized. Moving to power-up sequence.
Roger that. Alignment sequence initiated on radar.
But there's a problem that haunted Patriot for decades. What happens when the math is wrong?
See how the intercept point shifts when I modify this line. The current parameters are causing a slight drift.
Early Patriots had software bugs that caused Gulf War failures. Today's system has been rewritten from the ground up.
White Sands Command, this is Convoy 5. We are approaching the facility, ETA 5 minutes. All systems nominal.
We are tracking over 100 simultaneous contacts. Designate hostile threats.
Targeting solution synchronized. Ready status green.
Years of development, millions of dollars, thousands of parts. Everything comes down to the next 8 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Intercept probability now at 65%, tracking stable.
Probability rising rapidly, now 89%.
We have lock confirmation at 97%.
We did it!
Intercept confirmed!
Excellent work, everyone.
Range command confirms 100% success.
8 months of testing complete. But this is just one missile. The system must prove itself repeatedly.
Descent rate steady at 0.05.
Engaging cradle locks, sequence complete.
At Mach 5, the Interceptor has 0.3 seconds to make the final adjustment. Missed by inches and...
All batteries report green status. Track incoming on Sector Charlie.
Launch sequence initiated. Tracking data updated.
Patriot doesn't work alone. It's integrated with satellites, aircraft, and naval systems into one coordinated defense shield. Since 1991, Patriot has successfully intercepted over 150 real threats worldwide. That's not theory.
Clearance looks good. Proceeding with insertion.
Roger that.
Diagnostics complete. We have a green status across the board.
Contact bearing 090, tracking hostile.
Aegis Command, requesting weapons release authorization. Immediate.
Confirming positive identification, target closing range.
All threats eliminated. Systems returning to ready status.
Confirmed. Mission complete, protocols initiated.
Every missile represents cities protected, families kept safe, threats that never reach their targets. That's the real measure of success.
If we adjust the fin stabilizers here, the AI predicts a steeper dive profile.
That significantly improves the countermeasure deployment window.
We've covered manufacturing and testing, but the most advanced features are classified. Hit subscribe and that bell icon for more secrets.
Building Patriot requires a global supply chain. Over 1,200 suppliers across 14 countries working in perfect synchronization.
Hoist engaged, coming through on the left.
Pay close attention to the alignment here. This is critical for the guidance system.
So the tolerance is exactly 0.05 millimeters.
We've achieved the 15% efficiency gain target for this quarter.
The data visualization confirms
The facility demonstrates how defense manufacturing integrates green technology, achieving remarkable sustainability milestones.
The interoperability standard is clear.
Ja, aber wir müssen die technischen Details klären.
The Patriot system ensures our collective security.
From 1981 to today, Patriot has evolved through 9 major upgrades. Innovation never stops.
Missile signature detected. Port side. Firing flares.
Solid copy. Check your radar bloom, blue 2.
The Mach 15 profile shows an unpredictable lateral shift here.
Our current models can't compensate for that level of instability. Threats evolve constantly. Today's hypersonic weapons would have seemed impossible in 1981. So we innovate.
Iteration complete. 40% faster classification achieved.
Acknowledged. The human-AI teaming is optimized.
Patriot's greatest success isn't the missiles it launches. It's the wars deterred and attacks that never happen.
Final checks complete?
Yes, Supervisor. Seal applied and documented. Ready for transport.
From raw titanium to deployed Defender, every Patriot missile represents 8 months of work and 15,000 skilled professionals.
Subscribe to Assembly Secrets for more manufacturing mysteries revealed. Hit that bell icon. These stories matter. Thanks for watching.